In today's video, I am going to teach you can you install Castle TV app on iPhone. The short answer is yes, you can install the official Castle Movies app on your iPhone. And I will walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. We will keep things simple, clear, and quick, with a few helpful tips along the way, so you avoid common hiccups. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. This is the blue icon with a stylized A on it. Make sure you are connected to the internet, ideally on a stable Wi-Fi network, so the download goes smoothly. If you are signed in to your Apple ID already, you are good to go. The App Store will handle the rest once you start the download. Next, tap the Search tab at the bottom right of the screen. You will see a search field at the top. Tap it, type Castle Movies, and then look for the listing named Castle Movies TV Series Drama. This helps you find the specific app you want, rather than similarly named apps that might not be the official one. Take a quick moment to confirm the app's title and icon so you know you are downloading the right thing. When you've found it, tap Get to start the installation. The app requires iOS 15.6 or later. So if your iPhone is running an older version of iOS, the App Store may let you know that an update is needed before you can proceed. If your device meets the requirement, you will see the download begin right away, indicated by a progress circle that fills as it downloads and installs. This part can take a minute or two depending on your connection speed. To continue the download, follow the on-face screen prompts to verify with Face ID or enter your password. This is a normal Apple security step to confirm that you are the one requesting the download. Hold your iPhone as you usually do to let Face ID scan, or type your password carefully if prompted. Once confirmed, the App Store completes the installation automatically. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.